In this video, I'm going to show you some of the key features built into AgencySmart's quote engine. So I'm going to jump right in here to a quote, start new quote. In this screen, you can see all of the plans and rates that have been released. You can drop this window down and see what states are available for what year, individual as well. You can run a single, dual, or triple option. I'm going to click Start New Quote. And over here, I want to focus a little bit on this filter that we built. So one of the buttons you have here is this thing called Similar Plans. When you click that, the system's going to look for and filter out all those plans that closely match what the client currently has in place. All of the medical plans have this little button here that you can hover over, that you can see more of the benefit description other than what's proposed on this line. All of the SBCs are attached to all the plans. You click that link, it's going to open it up. And the rates, you can see the rates, member level rates for the census population that you're running a quote for. So that's similar plans. Then you can sort these similar plans by relevance like premium, metallic tier, deductible, office visit copay, insurance, and things of that nature. So I'm going to turn that off and show you another feature that I really like. It's this way to sort out and filter out what you want. So I'm going to go non-gated, calendar year, HSA plans with in-network benefits only, and I want to see that for AmeriHealth. From here, I can drill down a little further by network. I can click regional preferred. I can sort out by metallic tier or deductible or even prescription copays. Once I do sort what I want, I can then look at the benefits, just hover over this button, and it's going to open up a window that's going to show you a little bit more information about the plan. In addition to that, I can click on the SBC button, and it's going to open the SBC for the plan that you're looking at. And if I want to see the rates, I can click on the rates button and see the rates per employee in the census. Once I decide on the plans that I want, I can just pick them up and drop them in the basket or double click on them. And so that's some of the features on this screen. Another feature that we have is this non-ACA plan. So here what we've done is we've built in all the Aetna AFA plans. So let's say I had an Aetna AFA quote with a $2,500 deductible. I type in $2,500, it filters out all the $2,500 deductible plans. And so let's say I wanted to take this plan, I double click on it. It's going to ask me for the rates from the quote and click save. And now that's going to be in the basket as well. So that's going to end up in our proposal. We also have all of the QualCare plans built in, right? All of the plans with their SBCs and benefit summaries, things of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and type Plan O. So it's going to filter out all the Plan O's with the different drug cards. And again, I have my QualCare quote, and so I'm just going to throw in here my 4-tier rates and save. And now that's in the proposal. So I'm going to go next or continue. Over here, I can filter out my plans and sort them in any fashion: total premium, carrier, metallic tier. If I wanted to move a plan to the first position, I can just pick it up and drop it into that position. And then in the quote options, you can see you have the client logo. You have a choice of different cover pages. We'll pick this one. You can even customize the way that the quote is laid out. You can edit that feature. Maybe you want to move the coinsurance to the top, or maybe you want to move the specialist copay to the top or hide them. You can do that. Because we have Aetna, AFA, and QualCare in here, the system's going to look for us to create a composite rate for our plans that are member level rates. This way we can do a fair comparison. So we're going to do that. And then we can look at and model some different employee contributions, a percentage of premium, a flat amount, and apply that to the plans. I'm going to turn that off for this proposal. And I'm going to need my pediatric dental rates for the ACA plans that I've proposed. And then I want to pick my renewal plan. And again, if the carrier has retired a plan, you can always drop this window down and pick the plan that the carrier mapped your client to, or you could pick a plan that you want to show them as a renewal plan. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and download that quote so we can see all those key features that are built into AgencySmart. So now we have a proposal with our current plan in the first column, our renewal plan in the second column, with our price differential on a percentage basis and dollar amount. Here's the cover page that's completely customized to the broker. It puts your client's logo on it. You have your census and all of the member level rates that are proposed within the proposal. You have your pediatric dental and your carrier guidelines. So let's say that you get to your client's office and they want to implement some sort of contribution. So again, it's real easy to log in. The system saves every quote. You would log in, you would open the quote up, and you would say, let me put a contribution in here. Let's go 10% of premium. The system's going to do the calculation. We'll go update, download the proposal. And now we've inserted some employee contributions. In the current plan, they had none. The employer said we wanted to add 10%. So now what the proposal will do, it will show you your illustrative composite rates, your total monthly premium, minus out the employee contributions to show the employer the net difference. Whatever plans that you're proposing against, all the way through. You have your cover page, your census, your contributions page, pediatric dental, carrier guidelines. I'm going to show you one more thing before we go. Rate sheets. I can tell the system that I want all of the full rate cards for all of the plans that I have in my proposal. So now we have this new tab down here called Rate Sheet, and there's the rates for the plans that we're proposing. And that is some of the key features that's built in the AgencySmart's quote engine.